Do you think that you need thousands of dollars to start your own mortgage brokerage? That myth is holding you back. Today, I'm going to show you how to start your business without breaking the bank. Hi, I'm Megan, and welcome to the Real Estate and Mortgage Business Academy, where we help loan officers and real estate professionals build bigger, better careers and businesses in the real estate and mortgage industry. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own mortgage business or company, but thought it was too expensive, think again. By the end of the video, you'll see how affordable it really is to become a mortgage broker owner. So let's dive into three main ways and three main things about starting your own brokerage without big upfront investments. So the first thing is leveraging low cost setup options. Many loan officers think starting a business, a brokerage business, requires tens of thousands in startup costs. The truth is it doesn't, and here's why. Licensing is one of your main costs. The main expense is your licensing. And depending on your state, this could be as little as a couple $100s, a few $1,000s. Comparing that to your potential earnings of closing one loan for one of your main startup costs, it's worth the investment. Forget about renting an office. And if you're a state where you have to have an office, looking at like a Regus option or a co-workspace. Many successful brokers start from a home or a shared workspace, keeping the overhead really, really low. When I started my first brokerage, we had to buy our phone system. They didn't even have the ones that they have on the internet, like the internet-based ones. Now you can just buy a phone line that's a monthly fee instead of spending $10,000 to $20,000 on a single phone system. So use budget-friendly technology, your CRM, your phone system, the computers you're using to manage your operations without having all this equipment up front. And probably one of the best things about starting a mortgage brokerage is you're using your existing relationships and skills. We are entrepreneurs as loan officers. We get hired and we learn how to build a business within someone else's business. So you already have relationships. You already have the skills that you need when you go open your own. There are very few businesses like that. In our business brokerage, we help people start businesses that are spending hundreds of thousands of dollars and they have no customers. They're just opening based on a goal and a dream and a love of something that they have. We already have a book of business if you're consistently closing loans. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to plug into a good wheel that allows you to keep focusing on closing more loans and then building a team. So use what you already have. Leverage your network. And you might be surprised when you go from loan officer to mortgage business owner, people start seeing you in a whole different light. Your existing clients, your referral partners, and real estate agents, they can be your first source of business. When I opened my second brokerage and partnered with my now business partner, Andre, the first week my team and I got into this office before we were fully set up, I still remember it. We had 16 sales contracts come in. I remember sitting on the floor, like not even knowing what to do. And then your existing skills, you already know how to close loans. So transitioning to a broker means you're doing the same work, just with more control and higher pay. So now you're getting the whole check. So don't go into being a broker thinking you're going to keep the whole check. What I would suggest is get help on the things you don't know how to do, like licensing, compliance, HR, on those areas, and stay focused on what you do best. There are companies that just do licensing or just do compliance. We have our collab concierge services that does all those things in one place. If you can start a business with $50,000 or less and get that back in the first year, that is a no-brainer type of business that you should be starting. The third thing, brokers earn more and keep more. I talk to loan officers all the time, and one of the things is all of us, we don't want to lose our income as a loan officer that we've created. It's one of the scariest things. Like, will I still have that income when I go and open my own business? You will if you're smart and you have the right mentors. You don't need a huge initial investment because you will earn more back. Maybe in the first year you have to invest a little bit more, but if you invest smart, you will earn it back immediately. You'll be able to convert more of the deals that come your way. When you were a single lender, you had single options. When you're a broker, you get to shop around, find solutions to more deals, and your amount that you convert into closed deals, I promise you it will go up. And the best part about owning a business is business equity. We talk to our clients about owning a home because it builds equity, which is value that one day our clients can sell. The same thing happens if you build a business the right way. You're not just earning income, you're building a business that's worth something. That's a long-term return on a small investment. I remember not really thinking about it or getting that aspect until I went to start selling my portion of our mortgage business when I opened our other businesses that I work now, and receiving a check for the first 5% of the business. And it was an amount that's much more than most brokers get for a sign-on bonus. And I sat there thinking, oh my gosh, like so many people in our industry don't get this. Like we just don't get it. We take sign-on bonuses to go make more money and like open your own business and control your destiny and build a legacy, give your team members opportunities that they would have never had if you didn't start it first, and do something for your family that has never been done before. That's why starting a mortgage brokerage is, I believe, that next step in the mortgage careers. Nobody talks to us about what's next or what we need to work towards, but that is the next step of becoming the leader that you've always wanted to be and controlling what your future looks like. It takes ambition, strategy, and the right guidance, but by leveraging low-cost options up front, using your existing skills and understanding the high return and the high potential of being a broker owner, you can build something beyond your wildest dreams. So, what is stopping you? The biggest barrier usually isn't money. It's about believing in yourself, trusting someone who's going to give you honest advice. Drop a comment below if you're ready to take the next step, and let me know what are some of the things that are holding you back. Let's make your dreams become a reality this year. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights, tips, success stories to help you achieve your goals as a mortgage professional.